out of 14 threes in the game.
He's dynamic as a player, and unfortunately for him, with a team that has lost 17 out of 18 games.
Yep.
Luka all the way to the rim.
And no defensive resistance whatsoever. To the basket. James Johnson with Minnesota's first made shot in 5 attempts.
Somehow I knew he would get traded from Miami.
He wasn't playing there. Porzingis turnaround shot, smooth looking.
That's what I mean about the hesitation.
It's a bad sign.
That's a bad sign, especially when Pat Riley is the president.
Luka rebounds his own miss and scores. With that score a moment ago, Luka now leads the team in second chance points. Porzingis is second, Finney Smith is third, but that's not a second chance. It's just a first chance to attack.
Is a ridiculous loss.
I mean, didn't they lose the game this year because
a shirt wasn't tucked in?
Yeah, I was about to say. Chris Paul said, hey, Jordan Bell doesn't have a shirt tucked in.
He's had some pretty good offensive outings as well.
Corner three is on the money from Dorian Finney-Smith.
Finney-Smith.
Wind up and knock it down, baby.
Now here's Malik Beasley. Part of the trade with Denver, and we know that he can get hot.
Great athleticism.
That's it! Drive inside. Luka got the bounce on it. 9th in the league amongst qualifiers and points in the paint.
Everything in the paint for him, pretty much.
Putting it down, Porzingis, kicking it out to Hardaway. Jake Layman squares up for 3. And Keelan Martin again. And second chance points again because of him. And getting past the defense is Porzingis, but the defense of James Johnson recovers.
Yeah, he simply didn't give up on the play.
And we have seen Johnson block Porzingis and Luka. And J.J. Barea has gone in for Dallas. And more on what that means as it relates to Mavs history here in a moment as the ball falls. And it's a one and done. There was a free rebound, but Dallas able to collect it. And here comes J.J. And there goes J.J. Great finish.
When you're undrafted, the only way to still be around is to work yourself into what JJ has worked himself into. Cleveland from JJ.
Speaking of somebody who's worked themselves into something.
Yeah, he still wants to play too, though. I mean, he's still competitive.
Oh, nice finish, Hardaway.
Left hand.
Yeah. Foul was called on Dallas, their second of the quarter. And the drought comes to an end for Minnesota with Jordan McLaughlin. High for the rebound is Malik Beasley. Pull-up 3 by Beasley. And he makes it.
Good pull-up jump shooter. Surprised that Denver moved it. I thought he was in their plans moving forward.
Maxi Kleber locked and loaded. Ready to shoot that 3 and buries it.
In this second quarter.
Drive by JJ around the defense. All the way to the hole. Frequently out of JJ this year in a spark plug role. Not used all the time, but very effective when he does, as he finds. Came down off the rim to Josh Okogie, who brought it up the floor and hurt himself. Something happened to his left foot or ankle. Russell on the blow-by and scores.
So very consistent with opportunity.
Wright's provided 8, Kleber's provided 8 off the bench. Hardaway's got 8 in the starting lineup. Luka lobbing it for Porzingis and a rack attack. He's rolling a lot more lately. He's rolling right now. They see me rolling. and he rolled on that last one and finished with authority as Curry with the sweet rattle in 3. Russell, since joining Minnesota, 22 points a game in 3 contests. Hardaway, 3-pointer over the challenge of Josh Okogie. Remember January 31st last year when the news broke. 5 of 9 on 3s in the game for Malik Beasley. A rebound and run for Luka. Kick out, Hardaway, hot player.
It's a lot of looks, but when you leave him wide open, you can almost write it down.
D'Angelo Russell.
And that's slick right there. Given an opportunity.
Step back jack for Luka. Yes! Over Malik Beasley is just shaking his head. 41 in the first quarter for Dallas, 34 points and counting in the second. I think 2 more coming. Yes, more with Hardaway putting Jake Layman on a poster. The Timberwolves are 41% on their threes tonight. They came into the game 33%, which is second worst in the league. Shooting 74% in the restricted area, but it missed that time for Luka. And 3 by D'Angelo Russell. Cool to see how excited he got for Hardaway on that dunk.
Dorian on the pass.
Dorian, he's probably loving that alley-oop that Dorian just caught from Luka. Minnesota has made 18 of their last 24 shots.
I know they've had a lot of bad mojo since they moved Kevin Garnett. Good pass.
Give and go. Porzingis the dime. Lead is 9 now. It has been as many as 22. KP for 3.
Doesn't matter.
Russell to the basket. And that's 25 for him now. He had 35 in a game against the Mavs earlier this year. Mavs 13th foul of the quarter. Layman. And they're going to have an and one here as well. Wow. Shoveled to him for a trail 3. That's short, long rebound to DeLon Wright. And inside for a 2. No longer get to 100.
He's a double whammy when it comes to knocking down threes.
That was a good move by Jarrett Culver.
He got in the lane strong with the right hand.
Minnesota on the run. Barrels into Kleba. And I think they've got a block. Yep. Against Denver last night in his 24th game of the season as a rookie out of Butler. Right to the hole.
They've been doing that all night long.
Score by quarter for Dallas tonight. 41 in the first, 40 in the second, 29 in the third. Fractured left wrist. Played a few games after he initially hurt it, but he was pronounced out. Oh, as Curry has a chance for not 3, but 4. Correa on the bounce. 16-point lead. Grows by 3. Thanks to Yeye.
He's a pretty good 11th man, wouldn't you say?
I would say so. And this fella here is a pretty good 5th man, 6th man, 8th man, 3rd man, whatever man he wants to be. I think it's been really enlightening to listen to his communication and defensive awareness on the floor.
It's Tyson Chandler-esque.
Again, just a reminder, you haven't seen Jalen Brunson tonight because he's out at least 5 games with the shoulder injury that he sustained. I mean, they are thirsty for it. A Boban 3.
To give the people what they want.
Absolutely.
Starting out with an elbow jumper. There's to catch the pass. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist wards off the defense on a drive. Late clock a drive by Lee. Late clock a shot. Has to take it. Donald's All-American Naz Reid just 2 years ago at Roselle Catholic in Roselle, New Jersey. Here at LSU. Now in the NBA. Boban.
Really nice. Good footwork.
You think Naz Reid ever saw 7-4 at, would you say, Pete Roselle High School?
At Roselle Catholic. Oh, Jarrett Culver. Taco Fall, Boban, and Porzingis, the 3 tallest players in the NBA. And there's the Justin Jackson float. There, the referee indicated to the table. Brian Forte indicated to the table that the replay center had officially reviewed that Justin Jackson play. And that will finish off the game tonight. Oh, Keelan Martin from 3/4 court, a shot that will count. Which means the final score will be 139.